It's me, Avalanche, and
Jacob. Oh yeah.
Jacob Saggy face. Jacob Saggy face. So.
Hey.
Sorry, you're not.
Avalanche my butt.
Yeah. Anyway, today we're gonna be showing you some
Don't
nature
knock over
stuff
the camera.
found outside. So.
Yeah. So first, what we're gonna do. Oh, I apologize for that. I accidentally just hurt myself. So I'm so sorry for the shaky camera. I did not mean to do that. That will not be in the rest of the video.
Okay, just get on with what you were saying.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show each our objects and then, yeah, and explain our knowledge that we know of it. So you can go first, Avalanche.
This is a leaf found on a grapevine. Isn't it so pretty? It's like so big. It's like bigger than my head. So, yeah, look at that. Do you want to look at it every day? Because I do. That's what all of these things back here are. So, and then we have this dead stem of a tiger lily. Yeah.
Keep your stuff just in case.
Oh, yeah. Pokey, pokey. Okay, then we have a maple leaf. Like, look at this. Look. Look. Don't you just want to eat it up? Because I sure do. Then I have something my girlfriend will really like. Catnip! No?
Can I,
Here. Oh. And then we have this, like, you know, little crap.
Jiggly.
Just jiggle monster.
It's so jiggly. Jiggle. Wait, I have one too. Wait, where are they? I don't see them. Oh, I found one.
Jiggle monster.
Jiggle.
Jiggle monster.
Yeah.
Oh, well, anyway, next we have
Okay.
a clover. And sadly, it's not four-leafed because then we'd be lucky, but we're not.
We would
so.
we would win the lottery.
Yeah, even though we don't play the lottery or anything. But someone would just randomly call us up and say, "Hey, look at these pine needles."
Hey, you just won the lottery.
Yeah, and look at these pine needles. Aren't they great? That's all I have. These dead pine needles. I'm sorry. Needles. I mean, needles.
Is that the last thing?
Yep, that's
Okay.
the last I have.
So-
Oh, this table is so dirty. My butt. Okay, your turn.
Okay. My first one is these poisonous berries that you should never eat them. Avalanche.
Give
No,
me.
don't eat that.
Dang it. It fell off the table.
Uh-huh. Okay. The second thing I have is bark that you get from a tree. Avalanche. What are you doing?
I wanted to berries.
And then my third thing is moss. Isn't it pretty? Moss is so
Oh my gosh.
moss is so soft and it feels so great.
Ooh, I want your moss.
My fourth thing are these beautiful flowers. What?
Yeah. Okay.
And then
It almost fell over.
my last thing is a piece of grass or a few pieces of grass.
Oh, I love to eat grass. Give me.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Gimme.
No, get your own grass.
What the heck? He's so mean to me, guys.
Okay. So that is all we have for our nature things that we found.
But we have to introduce you to our girlfriends.
Why do we always have to do that? Like, we already have them in, like, different videos.
Because they're hot.
Fine.
Ashley,
Yes?
I want to look at you. Come over here. Ah! You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. I got you.
I got dirt on my paw!
Dang it. Well, then we have River Melba.
Hey, girlfriend.
Hey.
It's my new and improved girl.
Yeah. Yep.
What?
We love you, W's forever.
Yeah, she's way better than Tiffany.
What'd you say about me?
That, River Melba is way better than you.
Shut up! I hate you!